Students, myself is Sultana Nasser from Meetanagar MP School. Okay. Yesterday we have revised lesson number 5, mass media and history. We have seen the explanation part. Now we will be revising the question answers of it. Okay, and some important points. First, we will see some important points to remember. Now, what is the mode of communication? Media. Yesterday we have seen that mass media contain two words. Mass is meaning collection of people and media means mode of communication. So mode of communication is media. There are different ways of communication like newspaper. Then we have seen electronic digital journalism also where social media is involved. YouTube channels are there. Okay, Twitter, Facebook, like this. And along with newspaper, magazines, journals, periodical, all these things are there. Okay, so these are all modes of communication. Next point, inscription with royal decrees at public places were placed at Egypt. So this is the precursor of newspaper. Before newspaper, how news was spread? News was royal decrees were kept at public places in Egypt. First class medium of circulating information is newspaper, as newspaper was the first medium of circulating information. Next point, acta diurna, meaning acts of every day. Okay, acta diurna. This was placed during Julius Caesar's reign. Okay, during Julius Caesar's reign, newspapers known as acta diurna means acts of every day used to be placed at public places in Rome. Royal dictates distributed at public place in 7th century CE. Calcutta General Advertiser or Bengal Gazette was first started by James August Hickey. It was the first English newspaper which was printed on 29 Jan 1780. It was named as Calcutta General Advertiser or Bengal Gazette. It was started by James Augustus Hickey. This is the fill in the blank. You have to remember this very well. Okay. Birth date of Balshastri Jambekar. Wait. Uh, Sorry. Editor of Darpan. Who was the editor of Darpan? Editor of Darpan, Balshastri Jambekar. It was started in 1832. Newspaper aimed at creating social awareness. Prabhakar by Bhau Mahajan. In Prabhakar newspaper, social awareness was created and it was started by Bhau Mahajan. The first newspaper to print illustration, Jnanoday. Okay, it printed map of Asia and map of Europe also. Map of Asia in 1842 and map of Europe in 1851. So the honor of printing an illustration is an Indian newspaper for the first time goes to Jnanoday. Birth date of Bal Shastri Jambekar. He was the first editor, Marathi editor. So his birth date is remembered as or celebrated as Patrakar Din. It is on 6th January. It is also known as Journalists Day in Maharashtra. Okay, it is celebrated in Maharashtra. Then newspaper supporting widow marriage in a big way. So which paper supported Hindu widow marriage? That was Hindu Prakash. Okay. Newspaper representing masses, Bahujan Samaj, started by Krishna Rao Bhalekar. That newspaper was known as Deen Bandhu. Newspaper started by Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gangadhar Tilak, reflecting political issues. So, which were the newspapers started by Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Those were Kesari and Maratha. You have to remember the newspaper's name and the editor's names. It comes like correct the pair or concept chart like this. It's very important to remember names of the newspapers and their editors also. Digdarshan, first monthly magazine in Marathi. Editor was Bal Shastri Jambekar. Pragati, a defunct journal. Defunct means not in function now. So it stopped coming. Pragati. It was edited by Triambak Shankar Shejwalkar. Periodicals devoted to Indian history. Bharatiya Itihas and Samskruti and Marathwada Itihas Parishad Patrika. The first company to broadcast daily programs, IBC, Indian Broadcasting Company. Okay. This is the radio company, IBC, Indian Broadcasting Company, a private radio company, was the first one to broadcast daily programs. Okay. Later, that was taken by the British government and it was renamed as ISBS, Indian State Broadcasting Service. Then again, it was renamed as All India Radio AIR. Poet who renamed AIR as Akashwani, Pandit Narendra Sharma. Okay, so it was renamed as Akashwani on the suggestion of the famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. He was the famous poet. He suggested the name should be Akashwani of the radio AIR, All India Radio. First English bulletin broadcasted from Mumbai radio, that was on 23rd July 1927. Inauguration of Delhi Doordarshan Center was done by President Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Then color television was introduced in India in 15th August 1982. A German weekly magazine that purchased handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler Stern. Okay, what happened when they have purchased this diary? They sold to various companies. Then after they verified its authenticity, they came to know that the diaries are fake diaries or they have been forged. It was false. Channels opening rich treasure of global history. Which were the channels which show Discovery, National Geographic, etc. History. Discovery of India. This book was written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, events as per year. Some important events are there year wise, and the year you have to remember. Okay. First English newspaper, year 1780. Newspaper Darpan, 1832. Okay. So this in the box it should be first it should be event and in the second column it should be year. Printing mistake is there. Map of Asia painted in Nanodai 1842. Map of Europe painted in Nanodai in 1851. Indian War of Independence 1857. Kesari and Maratha started in 1881. First English news bulletin on IBC 1927. Pragati 1929. Indian State Broadcasting Service ISBS renamed as All India Radio AIR 1936. Doordarshan Mumbai telecast 1972. And after its 10 years, color television started 1982. Permission to private national and international channels 1991. Permission was given to the private and international channels to telecast their shows so that we can see the international channels also. Now we will see the fill in the blanks. Choose the correct options and rewrite the complete answers. In textbook, there are only 2 questions. We will see some extra questions also. First one. The first English newspaper in India was started by Dash. So who started the first English newspaper? It was James Augustus Hickey. He started the first English newspaper in India. Television is an dash medium. So we can see also and listen. So it's audio visual. So television is an audio visual medium. Bharat Ek Khoj was directed by Shyam Benegal. Option B. Birthday of Bal Shastri Jambikar is observed as in Maharashtra dash. That's important. You have to remember again and again. I'm telling you, birthday of Bal Shastri Jambekar is observed as Patrakar Din in Maharashtra. Excuse me. Kesari and Maratha. These are the newspapers which were started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. Pragati was edited by who wrote the Pragati? Option B, Triambak Shankar Shejwalkar. Just now we have seen in important points to remember. These all the fill in the blanks. The Dash program are broadcasted in 24 regional languages as well as 146 dialects of Indian languages. Option A, Vivid Bharati. The Vivid Bharati programs are broadcasted in 24 regional language as well as 146 dialects of Indian languages. 8. Fill in the blank. Dash played the role of Pandit Nehru in Bharat Ek Khoj. So, answer is D. Roshan Seth played the role of Pandit Nehru in Bharat Ek Khoj. 9. Fill in the blank. Bal Shastri Jambikar started the first monthly magazine in Marathi named Digdarshan. The name of the magazine was Digdarshan, which was started by Bal Shastri Jambekar, and it was monthly magazine in Marathi. 10. Fill in the blank. The history of French Revolution and Shatapatre, the letters by Lokit, option C, Lokitvadi Gopal Hari Deshmukh, were published in Prabhakar newspaper. Dash printed the map of Asia in 1842 and the map of Europe in 1851. So, which newspaper printed these maps, illustration of map? Answer is C. Jnanoday printed the map of Asia and map of Europe. 12th, fill in the blank. Newspaper known as Acta Diurna was placed at public places in Rome during the reign of Julius Caesar. Option C. Julius Caesar. Next, fill in the blank. The first English newspaper of India was printed on. So it was printed on 29 January 1780. Last option D. 14th, fill in the blank. The news of starting of railways was published in Dash under the title Chakya Vasoba. So it was published in Jnanoday newspaper. In Jnanoday newspaper, illustration of maps, then this Chakya Vasoba, starting of railway, this newspaper, this news, and installation of telegraph. Okay, so these three important news were printed in Jnanoday newspaper. You have to remember these. 15th, fill in the blank. Deen Bandhu, a newspaper, was started by Dash. It was started by Krishna Rao Balekar. Stern, a 16th, fill in the blank. Stern, a German magazine, sold handwritten diaries of Dash to various publication companies. So, Adolf Hitler. It was the diaries of Adolf Hitler, option B. 17th, Dash was introduced on 15th August 1982. Color television, option B. Color television was introduced on 15th August 1982. 18th, fill in the blank. The honor of Dash for the first time goes to Jnanoday. The honor of printing and illustration, option D. Printing and illustration goes for the first time to Jnanoday. 19th, fill in the blank. The Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 20 fill in the blank. Programs like Dash are an integral part of daily programs of Akashvani. It is C, on this day in history. 21st fill in the blank. Triambak Shankar Shejwalkar wrote regularly on historiography in his journal Pragati. Last option D, Pragati. Last fill in the blank. In the British India, the first English news bulletin was broadcasted on Dash from Mumbai radio station of IBC. It's 23rd July 1927. Option A. These were the fill in the blanks. In a textbook, you have only two fill in the blanks. Extra also we have seed. Okay. So please remember. Now we will see some identify the wrong pair in the following, correct it and rewrite it. First one is your textbook question. Prabhakar. These all are the newspaper names, and other side are the names of the editors. Prabhakar, Acharya P.K. Atre. Second, Darpan Balshastri Jambekar. Third, Deenbandhu Krishnarao Bhalekar. Fourth, Kesari Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So wrong pair over here is first pair, that is Prabhakar Acharya P.K. Atre. Why it is wrong? Because Prabhakar, this newspaper was started by Bhau Mahajan, not Acharya P.K. Atre. Okay. Second wrong pair we will see. First one, Bengal Gazette, James Augustus Hickey. First editor, Balshastri Jambekar. Discovery of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Kesari Acharya P.K. Atre. So wrong pair over here is Kesari Acharya P.K. Atre, because Kesari was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So once you remember the names of the newspapers and their editors, so you will be easily find the wrong pair. Okay. Third one, Akashvani on this day in history. Television serials like Ramayan, Mahabharat, Discovery newspaper, and Julius Caesar Acta Diurna. So which is the wrong pair over here? The wrong pair over here is Discovery, a newspaper. Why it is wrong? Because Discovery is not a newspaper, it is a channel on television. Okay, so Discovery is the wrong pair over here. Next, another example of wrong pair we will see. Akashvani, Pandit Narendra Sharma, Prabhakar, edited by Bhau Mahajan, Krishnarao Bhalekar, first editor, Bharat Ek Khoj, portrayed Turco-Afghan invasion. So wrong pair over here is Krishnarao Bhalekar, first editor. Why? Because it was Krishnarao Bhalekar was an associate of Jyotiba Phule who started Deenbandhu. Okay. Fifth example, ultra-modern periodicals, electronic digital journalism, भारतीय इतिहास आणि संस्कृती, Marathi Journal on History, National Geographic, Rich Treasure of Global History, Stern Company taken over by British government. So wrong pair is Stern Company taken over by British government. Why? Because Stern is a German weekly magazine. Last example of wrong pair. First is Delhi Doordarshan Center, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Bharat Ek Khoj, Shyam Benegal, Journalist Day, Bal Shastri Jambekar's birthday, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, commemorate historical events. So wrong is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting commemorates historical events because Ministry of Information and Broadcasting is governs and controls all India radio. In textbook question is there complete the concept chart. Okay. So in that chart, columns are given like newspaper, radio, television. Okay, and so you have to write the points about beginning and background of it, the nature and information of programs, and last point you have to write it, its function. Okay, so you have to see according to how many marks are given in the paper for the concept chart, then you have to write accordingly. Now newspaper, so beginning and background. So you can write first point like this. In the 7th century CE, royal dictates were distributed, occasionally giving information about important events. This was the background. Okay, the first English newspaper of India was printed on 29 January 1780, the beginning, and it was started by James Augustus Hickey. So you have written beginning also and background of newspaper. Then we will see radio. IBC was the first one to broadcast daily programs. Then later the same company was taken over by the British government and named as ISBS, and it was named as AIR, All India Radio. Then television, the Delhi Doordarshan was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first program was telecasted from Mumbai, center on 1st May 1972, and color television was introduced on 15th August 1982. So we have seen the background also and beginning. Next point you have to write is nature of information programs. So newspaper, it contains political, social, economic and cultural events of times in print, in printed form. Newspaper in print is in printed form. So it printed news like political, social, and economic and cultural events of those times. Radio, so as radio is audio, audio broadcast of various entertainment, awareness creating, and literacy programs. Programs such as literary programs. Literary programs means educational programs. Okay, then programs for farmers, programs for women, and entertainment is also entertainment programs, then awareness creating programs. These all audio programs was broadcasted on radio. Then television, as we can see and listen, so it's audio visual medium for watching an event as it actually happened. Okay, in television we are able to see the incident through acting as it, because it is enacted as it is, as actually happened. We can see the picture also and we can listen, but in newspapers we can only read it, and in radio we can just listen. Okay, but in television we can see the event as it is actually happened, like live. Now functions, last point you have to write about the function. Okay, the function of the newspaper. So it was an important medium for creating social awareness and keeping the readers, viewers with facts, statistics, local, national, and international issues and stories. Radio, important medium for creating social awareness, keeping the readers, viewers with facts, statistics, local, national, and international issues and stories. Then this is also same important medium for creating social awareness, keeping the readers or viewers with the facts, statistics, local, national, and international issues and stories. All three functions of newspaper, radio, television are similar. Same thing you have to write because it created same social awareness. Okay, and viewers or readers were keep in touch with the facts, local and international issues, stories, etc. Three all of the same. You'll see the concept or flow chart. Complete the flow chart. So this is the flow chart of radio. The first, the first two broadcast daily radio programs. Then Indian Broadcasting Company. Then it was taken over. IBC was taken over by British government under the name ISBS, like Indian State Broadcasting Service. Then again it was renamed on 8 June as All India Radio. Then it became a part of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Then at last it was renamed by Pandit Narendra Sharma's. Uh, he suggested a name of All India Radio. He suggested Akashwani name. So it was renamed from All India Radio to Akashwani. Then one example of flowchart we can see of Bharat Ek Khoj. It was based on discovery of India. It was telecasted by Doordarshan. Okay, and this book Bharat Ek Khoj, written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and this program was directed by Sham Benegal and enacted by the person who has done the role of Pandit Nehru was Roshan Seth. Okay, so the role of Pandit Nehru was enacted by Roshan Seth. Effective portrayal in Bharat Ek Khoj. Now, which things were portrayed in Bharat Ek Khoj? So, Vedic period, Harappan civilization, Ramayan, Mahabharat, Mauryan period, Turk-Afghan invasions, Mughal contributions, Bhakti movements, role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, movements of social reforms, Indian struggle for independence. These all things were shown in this serial Bharat Ek Khoj. It means like right from the ancient India, okay, to the modern India, they have shown each and every important event that have taken place in India. Bharat Ek Khoj in this serial, okay. Darpan, flowchart of Darpan, social and cultural events of those times. You can see the accounts and expenditure from three administrative divisions of East India Company, the danger of Russian attack on nation, appointment of a committee for a cleanliness of the city. These all are other news titles. Okay, we have seen yesterday other news titles. Remarriage of Hindu widows, the inception of theatre at Calcutta, achievements of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in England. One diagram is there. History. So there's of editorials, articles on this day in history, reviews, news, columns. Write short notes. First one, role of newspapers in the Indian struggle for independence. Now, when Indian independence struggle was started, so what was the role of newspapers? Okay. Answer. Print technology and newspaper were introduced in India after British arrived. It became the first mass media of circulating information and knowledge. The role of newspaper in Indian struggle for independence can be explained through following inferences. So first point, the first Marathi newspaper Darpan published news regarding the accounts of expenditure from the administrative divisions of East India Company and achievements of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in England. such information led to nationalistic awareness necessary for struggle of India. Besides printing map illustrations of Asia and Europe, in 1842 and 1851, respectively, the newspaper Jnanodaya also published the news of installation of telegraph and starting of railways. This proved important in planning national movement for independence. It also printed the news of Indian War of Independence. Other newspapers like Kesari, Maratha spoke about social and political issues of the pre-independence period. So what was happening there, social issues and political issues, it was printed in Kesari and Maratha. So people were aware about the issues. Kesari began to publish articles about the nationwide situations, books in native languages, and politics in England. Thus, the newspaper accelerated the struggle for independence. Why do we need mass media? Answer: mass media is a field of mass communication to send multitude information with an intent to educate and entertain. Be it a newspaper, social media, journals and periodicals, web channels or satellite television, transmission of information help us update ourselves with all political, social and cultural events. So whatever political, social, cultural events are happening, we come to know through media. We can keep ourselves informed about this, about the happenings in our country or in the world. Third point, better insights can be developed when background of an event is explained in comparison with similar event which took place in the past. Now, whatever current event is happening now, if it explained with the help taken in the past, so we are able to understand that event very well by comparing both the events from the past and events from the current, or events from the present. Okay. Fourth point, a review of history is presented through special issues of newspaper to commemorate the economic, social, and political significance of a particular event. Fifth point, mass media also gives momentum to awareness of political rights and duties of the citizens, raising their sense of raising their sense of responsibility and pride in the nation. Thus, mass media is instrumental in strengthening democracy as readers can also voice their grievances. Readers can also voice their grievances means we can give our opinion. In the newspaper, there is a column of opinion also, or we can nowadays it's very easy through social media we can give our opinion. Okay, so it strengthens the democracy as the readers can also voice their grievances. Grievances means problems. Sixth point of it, television as an audiovisual medium transcends the inherent limitations of newspaper and video. Okay, so newspaper is limited. We can just read it, but in television we can see the actual incident as it is happened. So television show actual visuals of an event to the people. Thus, we need mass media to facilitate free flow of information to all strata of the society. Mass media gives the news, spreads the news in each and every parts of the society. Nowadays, through mobile, through WhatsApp, through YouTube, okay, Facebook, it's very easy to spread the information or any news. Mass media and professional opportunities. Many professional opportunities are available in mass media such as newspaper, journalists, reporters and columnists, editors, historians and political analysts mythologists, content writers, and even actors for historical documentaries. These all are the professional opportunities that are available in mass media. Newer avenues like a talk show, host or anchor of television shows based on history as well as cartoonists are also opening up a potential careers these days. Newspaper reporters compare current affairs with events in the past to provide better insight to the readers. For this, experts are required which have knowledge of history. Newspaper prints columns about historical information based on written documents, supplements, and special issues over and above regular editions to commemorate occasions like 100th year of war and completion of 75-year of Quit India movement. This requires professionals and personnel trained in history to write columns, articles, editorials, reviews, etc. So these are the opportunities for the professional career in history. Lectures, professors of history and historians are invited on radio and TV programs as experts on occasions such as birth or death anniversaries of national leaders and historical events to speak. Okay. For history based TV shows, experts of history are required to maintain accuracy for presentation on environment, outfits, weaponry, lifestyle, lingual expression, etc. Nowadays, programs, historical programs are there, or sometimes historical movies also come. So, for these movies and serials, they show exact the story of a king, the background of how it was, political issues, what were there, okay, what was their economy, their lifestyle, their weaponry, then what was their language. So for showing this, they should show accurate. So for this, an expert is required. History is expert is required to guide them, okay, to maintain accuracy. Some part of history programs are actually enacted by actors for viewers to envision characters of heroic men, women, sportsmen, army chiefs, etc. Serials about ancient monuments, fort, history of empires, and history of culinary arts are gaining popularity these days. Any information received through mass media needs to be reviewed critically. So there was why it should be reviewed critically because of an event which happened. Uh, like there was a German company. There was an event of inauthentic information appearing in a print in Germany. A German weekly magazine had purchased a number of so-called handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler and sold them to various publications. So it was not real; it was forged. Later, those diaries were proved to be forged. So any information received through mass media needs to be reviewed critically. Give reason knowledge of history is essential for newspaper articles. So newspaper, while providing fresh news, they should know the background. Like newspapers, while providing fresh news to its readers, need to unfold the background of an event. Unfold the background of an event means they will write some information related to the past, what happened in the past. Okay. So while reporting news in detail, reporters try to compare it with parallel events which happened in the past. Now that past is compared with the present. Okay. In order to be able to publish issue to commemorate the occasion, one needs to review history. So for knowing what happened in the past, one needs to know the history. Now, television is the most popular medium. Television is an audio-visual medium. It is possible for this medium to cross the inherent limitations of newspaper, radio, and show the actual visuals of an event to the people. So, what we can see in television, actual visuals, whereas in newspaper, just we can read it. Okay. So there is no other alternative than television is available for watching an event as it actually happens. So television is the most popular medium. Explain the objectives of newspaper. Newspaper are an important medium of creating social awareness. So newspaper creates social awareness. Newspaper helps the readers become informed by providing them with facts, statistics, and opinion columns. Newspapers provide entertainment as well as they feature comics, puzzles, and humor stories designed to amuse the reader. Now, in newspaper, there are various pages where stories are also there, entertainment news are there, Bollywood news is there, sports news, other countries world news is also there, so it there is having a lot of content in that. It provides entertainment as well. They keep the reader up to date with the local, national, and international stories, along with reviews of history and past events. Now we will see one passage. There is in your textbook only. Read the passage and answers the questions. Radio. Indian Broadcasting Company (IBC) was the first one to broadcast daily programs. Later, the same company was taken over by the British government and named as Indian State Broadcasting Service (ISBS). On 8 June 1936, it was renamed as All India Radio (AIR). Okay, this passage is from your textbook. You have to read the passage carefully because you have to solve the answers from this only. After independence, AIR became an integral part of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, India. Initially, it broadcasted governmental programs and schemes. It was named as Akashvani on suggestion of the famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. Akashvani broadcast various entertainment, awareness, creating and literary programs. It also broadcasts special programs for farmers, workers, youth, and women. The Vivid Bharati programs are broadcasted in 24 regional languages as well as 146 dialects of Indian languages. Lately, various news channels like Radio Mirchi are providing radio services. Now, once you have read the passage, you will read the question. First question, Akashvani AIR is an integral part of which ministry? So we will look for the answer in the passage. Fourth line, new paragraph. AIR became an integral part of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, India. Okay. What was the new name of IBC? The new name was AIR. It was renamed as All India Radio, AIR. In how many regional languages and local dialects are Vivid Bharati programs broadcasted? So last fourth line you can see. Fifth line, the Vivid Bharati programs are broadcasted in 24 regional languages as well as 146 dialects of Indian languages. Last question, how AIR is All India Radio, AIR was named Akashvani. All India Radio's name was changed to Akashvani. So it's there. In the new paragraph, you can see fourth line. It was named as Akashvani on the suggestion of the famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. So we can write the answer. AIR was named Akashvani on the suggestion of the famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. Okay, in this way you have to solve the passages. This passage you can find in your textbook itself. And this comes in exams also. These all are extra questions. One extra passage is there. In the textbook, you have Bharat Ek Khoj. There is information about Bharat Ek Khoj. Okay, so you should read it in the textbook, whole passage. Bharat Ek Khoj. Then there are questions. On which book was the serial Bharat Ek Khoj based? So answer is the serial Bharat Ek Khoj was based on Discovery of India. Second question, who played the role of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in this serial? So the person who played the role was Roshan Seth, played the part of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. What did the serial present? The serial presented the history of India from ancient to modern period, throwing a light on social, cultural, and political history of respective periods. It's written in the passage only. Okay. Then last question, what did Bharat Ek Khoj portray? The serial effectively portrayed many aspects of Indian history like Harappan civilization, Vedic history, interpretation of Ramayana, Mahabharata, Turk-Afghan invasions, Mughal period and contribution of Mughal emperors, Bhakti movement, role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, movements of social reform and Indian struggle for independence. I think this answer comes for 2 marks. Whenever a long answer is asked, it's for 2 marks only. So you have to write in detail. It's already in the passage only. Just you have to pick those lines and write it in your answer. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, just revise the question.